Hello everyone, welcome to another Counting with Mr Sheffield, and today we are looking at the 8 times tables. As always, we're going to be using our trusty counting stick, and as always, unfortunately you're not here with me, but it doesn't stop you from being able to count along with me as we count up in 8s and as we count down in 8. So, first thing we're going to have to do is to build our number line, and always we're going to be starting down here at the number 0. And today's times tables we're going to be doing is the 8 times tables. We're going to be counting up and down in 8s. Okay, next thing. Firstly, what times table are we doing? And now we're going to double 8. What's double 8? Well done. That is 16. Okay, so double 8 is 16. And what's double 16? Double 10 is 20. Double 6 is 12. 20 and 12 together makes 32. There we go. And uh-oh, you might notice we've got a missing number here. Now, how can we find that missing number? Very good. So, 2 ways, like always. We could count up from 16, or we could count down from 32. I'm going to count up from 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Excellent. So, this number is very important today. This is going to be our key. Okay, so what times table are we doing? Double it again. Double it one more time. It's double 32. This is quite a nice, easy one to double because double my 3 tens is 6 tens, double my 2 ones is 4 ones. Altogether, we've got 64. Okay, so what times table are we doing? Double it. Double it again. Double it one more time. What's the key? The key is 24. Again, this is going to be a nice, easy one to double. So, double 24. Double my 2 tens, 4 tens. Double my 4 ones, 8 ones. Altogether, 48. Okay, now, missing something at the end here. What times table are we doing? Well, what's 10 times that number? What's going to go at the other end? 80. Fantastic. Great job. Okay. Now, if we've got 0 at this end, and we've got 80 at that end, what number goes in the middle? What's half of 80? Again, nice number to half, because half of my 8 tens is 4 tens. Okay, we're almost there. So, what times table are we doing? Double it. Double it again. Double it one more time. What's my key? What's double the key? What's triple the key? Now, just like down here, we can work this one out by counting up 8 from 64, or we can count down 8 from 80. I'm going to count down 8 from 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72. Okay, now, we're almost filling up our number line, but we're missing one number here. And you know why that number is? It's because I always forget this number. Okay, so this is the important one to remember. This one here is 56. So from the beginning, we've got, what times table are we doing? And we're going to double it. And double it again. Double it one more time. What's the key? Double the key. Triple the key. What number goes here? What number goes here? What number goes in the middle? Uh-oh. You can't come off yet, you're not ready. And what number do I always forget? Okay, let's count up. And as always, I'm going to try and count along with you for the numbers that are showing, but I'm going to keep quiet for the numbers that are missing. So, 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Great job. Let's count backwards now. 80, 72, 64, 56, 48, 40, 32, 24, 16, 8, and 0. Okay, now's our tricky bit. We're going to start taking some numbers off our number line and see if you can remember what they are. So the first thing we're going to do is take off this one here, and we're going to take off this one here. So what number goes here? What number goes here? Okay, what times table are we doing? And double it. And double it again. Double it one more time. What's the key? Double the key. Triple the key. What number goes in the middle? What number do I always forget? Excellent. Are we ready to count up and down in eights one more time? So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. Excellent. Let's go backwards. 72, 64, 56, 48, 40, 32, 24, 16, 8. Right. What number goes here? What number goes here? What number goes here? What's our timetable today? Our timetable's 8. Today we're going to be counting up and down in 8, so we don't need that one anymore. We can remember that one. Okay, from the beginning. 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. And backwards. 72, 64, 56, 48, 40, 32, 24, 16. Whew, okay, so what number goes here? What number goes here? What number goes in the middle? Now you can escape 40, okay? Thank you very much for waiting, that's very kind of you. What times table are we doing? And double it. And double it again. Double it one more time. What's the key? Double the key. Triple the key. What's the number I always forget? What number goes in the middle? Excellent, great work. Okay, are we ready to count up and down in eights again? 16, 24, 32, 48, 56, 64, 72. Let's go backwards. 72, 64, 56, 48, 32, 24, 16. Excellent, well done. Okay, what times table are we doing? Double it. We don't need this one anymore. I think you can remember what double 8 is. And what number goes here? What number goes here? What number goes in the middle? Excellent. Are we ready to count up in 8s once again? So 24, 32, 48, 56, 64, 72. Excellent. We're going to go backwards now. 72, 64, 56, 48, 32, 24. Fantastic. I hope that you are saying these along as we count up and down, because those are really going to get those numbers in your head. So, for example, this number here, which is in the middle. What times table are we doing? Double it. Double it once more time. One more time. 32. Okay, we're going to get rid of our 32 now. So, poor old Key down here, poor old 24 is now feeling a little bit lonely, but don't worry, I'm sure we can help 24 out in a second. So what times table are we doing? Double it. Double it again. Double it one more time. What's the key? Double the key. Triple the key. What's the one I always forget? Excellent. Okay, let's count up again. 24, 48, 56, 64, 72. Let's count backwards. 72, 64, 56, 48, 24. Excellent, fantastic. What number goes here? What number goes here? What number goes in the middle? What times table are we doing? Double it. Double it again. Double it one more time. Okay, goodbye 64. You're one of my favourite numbers. I do like 64, it's great, isn't it? Okay, let's count up and down in 8s again. So, starting as always at 24, 48, 56, 72. And backwards, 72, 56, 48, 24. Wow, that's fantastic. Okay, what number goes here again? And what number goes here? What number goes in the middle? What times table are we doing? Double it. Double it again. What's the key? Okay, the key is 24. We're getting rid of our 24 now, so going to be a little bit more tricky now. We have no numbers down here in the first half of our times table, so let's go from the beginning. 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 72. Let's count backwards now. 72, 56, 48. Oh my goodness, it's quite difficult counting backwards, especially if I'm looking at the wrong way of it. So I'm apologising if I sometimes have to pause and have a little bit of a moment to think. But on the subject of thinking, what number goes here? What number goes here? What number goes in the middle? What times table are we looking at? Double it. Double it again. Double it one more time. What's the key? Double the key. Okay, there goes 48. Triple the key. What's the number I always forget? Okay, are we ready? We've only got 2 numbers left, so let's go. 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 72. Let's go backwards. 72, 56, 32, 24, 16, 8, 0. Oh my goodness, I can't believe we're almost there. We've only got 2 numbers left to get rid of. What number goes here? What number goes here? What number goes in the middle? What times table are we doing? Double it. Double it again. Double it again. What's the key? Double the key. Triple the key. Okay, 72. You've been here for a while, my friend, but I think we're almost there. Oh no, there's one more number. I'm sorry, I always forget about you, 56. This is the number, remember, we always forget about, okay? So remember it because we forget about it. Are we ready to count up and down in 8s from over here? Okay, so 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. 80. And backwards. 56. Oh my goodness, there's only one number to get rid of now. What number goes here? What number goes here? What number goes in the middle? What times table are we doing? Double it. Double it again. Double it one more time. What's the key? Double the key. Triple the key. And what's the one we always forget about? I'm so sorry, 56. I never mean to forget about you, but the 7 times table's just very tricky, isn't it? Right, we've got no more numbers, so for the final time, we're going to count up and we're going to count down, and this time I'm not going to say a single word, but I might whisper it to you. Okay, are you ready? 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Excellent. And we're going to go backwards now. 80, 72, 64, 56, 48, 40, 32, 24, 60, 8, and 0. Oh my goodness. What an absolute round of applause you deserve right there. Very, very well done if you were able to count all the way up and all the way back. Now, if you weren't able to count all the way up and all the way back, then watch the video again and again and again, because as we always say, practice makes perfect. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.